Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, basically you are using Mailchimp for email marketing, connecting it to Shopify lets you synchronize customers and sales data. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to connect your Shopify account to your Mailchimp one in the 2026 version, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, make sure you have your Wi-Fi enabled. Go to your favorite browser, open a new tab or window, then go all the way and look for Mailchimp.com. You can start then by logging in or signing up. It depends if you already have an account, just log in. And make sure your account is active. And we're gonna go all the way to Shopify. It's here where basically just go and look for Shopify.com. Make sure you log in using your email address and password. Then go all the way to this apps section or area, then go and look for Shopify App Store, open it in a new tab if you want to. We're gonna go and look for the Mailchimp app. Okay, then tap enter. Okay, this is the one with this logo. As you see guys, it's the same basically logo here. Make sure you install it, authorize the connection, log in and grant the Shopify access as usual. Enable the audience synchronization, choose which customer data basically to synchronize. Then enable e-commerce tracking. This allows revenue and order tracking as well. Check the sync stats. Confirm customers and products appear in your basically Mailchimp. You can also send a test campaign if you want to. Verify emails, then send them correctly. And that's basically it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.